and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to automatically create social media posts after new vlog content. So I am an owner of a content marketing agency and we post creative vlogs on our WordPress site to create more engagement in my business. I have wider audience added on my social media platform, that is X, formerly Twitter. Over here what I want is that as soon as I post a new vlog on my WordPress site, I want to share it to my audience on my social media platform, that is X, formerly Twitter. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming and hectic process. So to solve this problem, I've built a connection between WordPress and X using Pabbly Connect, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. Now whenever I'm going to post a new vlog on my WordPress site, automatically a tweet is going to be created on my X account. So now if you want to learn this entire process step by step, I'm going to take you towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So as an owner of a content marketing business, I use WordPress to publish valuable blog content for my audience. And I use Twitter to actively engage with my followers and drive traffic on my website. To keep my audience instantly updated whenever I publish a vlog on my WordPress site, I have automated the process of automatically creating a social media post on my Twitter account as soon as a new blog goes live on WordPress. And I'm going to create the connection between WordPress and Twitter using Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing automation works in real time. I'm going to create a new post on my WordPress account, and after that, I'm going to check whether automatically a new post has been shared on my Twitter account as well, promoting the vlog or not, okay? So now for creating the new post, I'm going to add in the title and the body of the vlog right here. So you can see right away, I've added the title, Why Every Small Business Needs a Website in 2025. And you can see right over here, this is the vlog content, okay? Now to publish this vlog, I'm going to click on this publish button right over here. As I've done that, it says post published, okay? So as now the post is successfully published, I'm going to open my Twitter account and refresh this page from here. As I've done that, you can see a new post has been created, new vlog created, Why Every Small Business Needs a Website in 2025. And this is the same vlog link you can see right over here that is added in my post, okay? So as you can see, this is how this amazing automation will work in real time, and we're going to build this automation using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After browsing the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can get real-time updates. You can find help not only from our team members but also the fellow users. On our community, you can ask questions, share tips and feedbacks, and also find automation tips as well. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description box below, okay? Now we're going to create this amazing automation. As we're going to come to the landing page, you will find two options, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, you can directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button. There are two methods to create the workflow. One is the new beta method. Other one is the old classic method, okay? So I'm going to create this amazing workflow using the old classic method. So I'm going to create this amazing workflow using the new beta method. So I'm going to select it. Firstly, it is asking for my workflow name. So for the workflow name, I'm going to give it as automatically create social media post after new vlog content. Okay. So you can see right away, this is the name for the folder. These are the folders from which I'm going to select the workflows folder and click on this create button right over here. Then you can see a new workflow has been created. And firstly, we have to set up our trigger step. In an automation in Pabbly Connect, we have two major steps, that is trigger step and action step. Trigger gives the command and action steps follows them. That is why there is only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Let us set up our first step right over here. That is the trigger application. For the trigger application over here, I'm going to select over here as WordPress. As soon as a new blog is going to be posted on my WordPress site, I want trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for my trigger event, I'm going to select over here as new post published. Okay. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. Over here, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. Using the unique webhook URL and by following the steps given here below in the help desk, we are going to create the connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to copy this URL from here, open my WordPress account that I want to connect. To connect this account, from the panel right over here, what we have to do is, we have to go towards the plugin section and we have to click on this add plugin option right here. After coming to the plugins page, we have to search for the plugin in the name of WP Webhooks and open it, okay? And you can see right over here, this is the WP Webhooks right here, okay? And I have already installed this webhook. To connect your WordPress to Pabbly Connect, you need to install the WP Webhooks from here, okay? After installing, you will see the option in your settings as WP Webhooks like this. So I'm going to open this webhook from here. After that, now go to this send data option in WP Webhooks. After coming to send data, now as we want to capture the response of the post created, we have to select this event from here, okay? Now we have to add a webhook URL from here. We have to first name the webhook URL. So for the name over here, I'm going to write it as new post created as the name, okay? For the URL, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And then simply, I'm going to click on this add to post create right here. As I've done that, you can see over here, this webhook URL is added. Now go to the three dots and click on the settings option. In settings, for the trigger, we have to select the trigger as post. And for the trigger on initiate post status, select over here as published. And save these changes from here for the save settings, okay? This is how you build a connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect, okay? If I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether WordPress is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new post in my WordPress account, and after that, I'm going to check whether automatically the trigger captures the response of the new post data over here or not, okay? So for the post, I'm going to enter the title and the body right here. You can see right over here, I've added the title, 5 reasons why you should start a newsletter for your business. And you can see over here, this is the vlog content, okay? After adding all the details, I'm going to publish this post from here. As I've done that, it says post published is the response. So now if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, you can see the response has been captured in my trigger. Let us tally the response from here. If I'm going to scroll down, you can see the title is 5 reasons why you should start a newsletter in your business. This is the same title. And if I'm going to scroll down, you can see this is the content as well right here. This is the same content that we have posted, okay? With that, we have received the link and all the other details as well. So as now the response has been captured over here in our trigger, now what we are going to do is we are going to set up our action step. Now we have the vlog from our WordPress site. Now we're going to share this vlog on our Twitter account. For that, I'm going to add an action step right over here. And for my action application, I'm going to select over here as Twitter. An action event, I'm going to select it as create tweet. And then I'm going to click on this connect button. This window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, then click on this connect with X, formerly Twitter button right over here. It is asking for the client ID and the client secret. From where are we going to find all the following details? For that, go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk right here. After coming to the hyperlink, you are going to land towards this Pabbly forum page, on which you will find the steps that you can create your developer app. And as you're going to create your developer app, you are going to find the details, that is the client ID and the client secret. Okay, for that, follow all the steps. Over here, you will find the developer application over here on this link. So if I'm going to open this link, you will land towards the developer section of your Twitter account. Okay, as you have created the application, now you can go to this developer portal right over here. On the developer portal, if you have created your own application, you can go to projects and apps and you will find your application from here. In this application, you will find the keys and tokens section right here, in which you will find the details like the client ID and the secret. So I'm going to copy this client ID from here and paste it in this field. In the similar manner for the secret, I'm going to regenerate the secret from here, copy it from here, and paste it in this field, okay? And click on this save button, okay? And you can see right over here, this window is then going to appear in front of you. Now, as I want to continue with this Twitter account of mine, so I'm going to click on this authorize app button, as this is a safe process and my data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this authorize app button right here. And as I've done that, you can see X, formerly Twitter, is connected to Pabbly Connect, okay? Firstly, it is asking for the message that is going to be our tweet. So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as new vlog created. After that, over here, I'm going to add the title of the vlog that I have for my audience to know on which title I have written this vlog. With that, over here, it is asking for the vlog link. So for the link of the vlog over here, I'm going to map the data of the link of my blog that I have. So for the link over here, I'm going to search for the link right here. This is the link. I'm going to map the data of the link, okay? After writing the message over here, you can see it is asking for the quote, tweet ID and the direct message deep link, which I do not have. So I'm going to skip the part and then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, I have received a response, which is a positive response. So if I'm going to open my Twitter account right over here, you can see automatically this post has been created. New vlog created with the title with the vlog link. If I'm going to open this blog link from here, you're going to find that this is the same blog that we have published right now on our WordPress site, okay? So as now the new post has been created on my Twitter account, this means that we have successfully built a connection between WordPress and Twitter using Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, as soon as a new vlog is going to be published on my WordPress site, automatically the trigger WordPress new post publish is going to capture the response of that. And as the response is captured using the details, automatically a tweet is going to be created on my X, formerly Twitter account with this action step, X create tweet. And in this manner, I've built a connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.